Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zen Roblox. First, understand that this unique playstyle prioritizes a mindful, calming experience over typical competitive gameplay. It is about finding peace and focus within the expansive Roblox universe. We will explore the specific strategies to achieve this serene state, guiding you through each crucial step for a truly tranquil gaming session. Prepare to transform your Roblox experience into something truly refreshing. To begin, select games specifically designed for relaxation, exploration, or creative building, avoiding high-intensity experiences. Next, meticulously adjust your in-game visual and audio settings, reduce bright effects, and set background music to a low, calming level. Finally, ensure your physical surroundings are quiet and free from distractions, perhaps with soft lighting. This foundational setup is essential for cultivating a truly Zen atmosphere from the start. Now, immerse yourself in mindful gameplay by focusing on deliberate actions, such as slow, appreciative exploration of virtual worlds or methodical, patient building of structures. Cultivate patience, embracing the journey itself rather than fixating on immediate outcomes or achievements. Engage with other players respectfully, using positive communication to contribute to a harmonious shared environment. Remember, every interaction and movement should be intentional and calm, fostering your inner peace. To deepen your experience, seek out and participate in community-run, Zen-focused events or group meditation activities within various games. Experiment with in-game tools, using them to craft your own personal serene spaces or contribute to collaborative art projects. Regularly reflect on your emotional state throughout your session, noticing any shifts and gently adjusting your focus or activity as needed. These practices will significantly enhance your overall sense of tranquility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.